Hello students, we'll discuss yesterday's paper, that is JEE Mains 2026 January 21 morning shift of chemistry. Okay, so we'll discuss paper analysis, how the paper was, it is difficulty, easy or moderate. Then we'll see the step-by-step solutions. Okay, okay, the question number one. So question number one, number one actually it has framed from the salt analysis. Salt analysis. So what the question was telling that, so here the salt they given that PbCl2 salt they given, plus when we treat with a K2CrO4, it is giving A. What kind of A is coming here? PbCrO4. This will be forming yellow. PBT will be forming. So A must be lead chromate. A must be lead chromate. That means fourth option will not come, right? So you can have the first option, second option, third option you have. Then after A is treating with the A is treating with sodium hydroxide excess. Sodium hydroxide excess. So then it will form. So tetrahydroxy complex will form. For example, you can take here Na2 Pb OH 4, this complex will be forming, right? So now it should be the B. So where we have the B? So B, A is failed, option A is failed. So option third is failed. Then you got the option B is the right answer. Now what happened now? Again, PbSO4 treating with the ammonium acetate, CH3, COONH4. After treating with, you will be getting the, so lead acetate will be forming CH3COO twice. This will be the answer. So that will be the C for our case. So the correct option is B is the right answer. Now question number two. So here they have given statement one, statement two. So then we have to decide which statement is correct. Statement one, what actually is talking about? NiCl4 minus 2 NiCN4 minus NiCO4 minus NiCO4 and CH4. The sp3 hybridized species. So they already told that all belongs to sp3 hybridization. Then what we need to find out? So okay, they're telling that sp3 hybridized species are 3. Let us find out how many of them sp3. Let us take here, if I take this one, NiCl4, NiCl4 2 minus. Nickel atomic number how much? 28. Now write the configuration. Ar 4s2 3d8. So now nickel will be plus 2 state. So how much here? 3d8 left out. If it is 3d8, you have the weak field ligand here. Pairing will not take place. Pairing will not take place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you will be getting 4s, 4p. That means what happened? For the given chlorine complex will be having the sp3 hybridization. That means what happened? This is sp3. NiCN4 strong field ligand. In this case, you will be having the dsp2 will come. In this case, you will be getting the dsp2 will come. In this case, dsp2 you will be getting. So this second one will be not the sp3. Third one, NiCO4. NiCO4 also sp3 will come. How? Look at here. In this case, nickel state will be 0. Why? Carbonyl compound is 0 charge. So in this case, force pairing will take place. Force pairing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, right? So here we have the s2 electrons are there. These two electrons will shift here. This electron will shift here. So d orbital is fully filled. So d orbital is fully filled. Now what is left out here? 4s, 4p. Again sp3. That means what happened? This also sp3 and this sp3 methane. It will be having the tetrahedral species. It will be having the tetrahedral species. So the given statement 1 is absolutely right. There are only 3 are sp3 hybridized species for there. Statement 2, number of amphoteric pairs among the following. So see the group 14 of class 11, what actually this question was talking about. They will be having the carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So oxides of these two people are amphoteric in nature. Oxides of oxides always amphoteric, either monooxide, dioxide or amphoteric, amphoteric nature. Whereas these two people are acidic oxides. These oxides are acidic oxides always. Whereas in this case, you will be having the monoxide, dioxide. These are acidic oxide. This will be neutral oxide. So the given question statement was number of amphoteric pairs among them are. So here this two amphoteric. So there are four amphoteric species for there, but they given two. That means statement one is correct, statement two is wrong. So the option will be B is the right answer for this question. Correct answer is B is the statement one is correct, two is the wrong answer. Chalo question number three. Question number three again chemical bonding question you will be having like this. Statement one among SF4 SF4, XeF4, NiCl4, PtCl4, PtCN4, NiCN4, Sc. There are three tetrahedral species. Again, same question that what we have discussed in the first case. Let us have the statement one. So SF4 will be having the seesaw structure, not tetrahedral. It will be a seesaw. This is kind of trigonal bipyramidal geometry you'll be having. If you see the geometry, trigonal. So this will not come XeF4. It is a square planar. It is a square planar. This is a square planar. So this will be not come. NiCl4 just now we have seen. So that is sp3 tetrahedral. Cl4 minus. It is sp3 tetrahedral species. PtCl4. So as you go down the group in a periodic table, the complex which are forming, those people are square planar. So PtCl4 is not the tetrahedral, it is a square planar. PtCN4, so here also that will be a square planar. Now NiCN4, you can see just before NiCN4, what we got here, NiCN4 is DsP2 hybridization. So that is square planar. SCF4, SCF4 again, it will be having the SCF4 again seesaw structure. So you will be having only one will be the correct answer will be coming. So that means what happened? The given statement one will be a wrong statement. Among the following, among the following three pairs, right? So three pairs are there. Only two pairs are diamagnetic. They're telling. So guys, just now we have seen no NiCO4. There will be a no. There will be a no unpaired electrons in this case. That means what happened? So this one diamagnetic species. This is not the diamagnetic species because unpaired electrons are there. NiCO4. So these two questions, these statements are told, no? Eh, so among three pairs, so only two pairs are diamagnetic. Okay. So this again, this both will be diamagnetic, whereas pairing will takes place. And this is diamagnetic, but this is not diamagnetic. So among three pairs, one pair, two pair, third pair, only two pairs are diamagnetic. So it is wrong only, no? Right? First pair will be, first pair is, this is dia, but this is para. This one dia, this one will be dia. So in this case, one pair is coming full dia. And third pair what happened? This is para, this is dia. So statement one is wrong, two is wrong. So both are wrong. Option 4 is the right answer. MnO4 minus. So this will be manganate. MnO4 minus 2 in acidic medium, what happen? It will converting into Mn2 plus, that means here MnO2 plus MnO4 minus will be forming this one. So you'll be having here, this will be manganate. This is manganese dioxide, this making permanganate will be forming. So MnO4 minus MnO2. So option 4 is the right answer for this question. Now question number 5. So what actually it is talking about? Which of the following is the correct order with respect to the property indicated against it? So if you see the ionization energy, so boron will be the second period, right? Second period. Now, so sulfur, third period. So we'll keep here. Sulfur will be here. Phosphorus is here. Fluorine will become here. Now, highest energy is not for boron. It is for fluorine. So this is cancel out. Now, basic nature. So basic nature, what we have? So metals will have the more basic. So sodium, potassium, rubidium. Down the group, basic character increases. That means potassium is more basic than sodium. Then magnesium will come here. Left to right, basic nature slightly decreases. So that means what happened? Potassium more basic than sodium, then magnesium, then aluminum is kind of amphoteric in nature. That means statement 2 is coming correct only. Now, so now statement 3, what we have? Potassium, sodium, aluminum or metallic character. So potassium is more metal. So this is wrong only, no? Why? It has to come here. Magnesium is more metallic than aluminum. So now electron affinity for these people. Let us see here electron affinity for chlorine and fluorine and phosphorus. Phosphorus can keep here. Phosphorus will be. Let us keep sulfur here, phosphorus here. So left to right electron affinity will be increases, right? But third group, a third period having the more electron affinity than second period. That means chlorine is more than fluorine, then sulfur, then phosphorus. So the fourth statement will be right. That means only 2 and 4 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 6. So again the same question as previously repeated. Statement 1, all the pairs all the pairs of molecules, so PbO, PbO2, SnO, SnO2, GO, GO2 contains amphoteric oxides. Wrong statement, no. So what I told here, if you see here, so this germanium carbon can form acidic oxide, not amphoteric oxide. So only lead as well as tin amphoteric. This is not the amphoteric. So statement 1 is wrong. If statement 1 is wrong, let us eliminate the options. So 2 will not come and 3 can come. So both are not correct. That means you will be having either third option or fourth option. AlCl3, BH3, BeH2, NO2 all have the incomplete octet. Absolutely right. Why? So AlCl3, there it is kind of a Lewis acid. It is kind of a Lewis acid. 6 electrons are there. Now BH3 will be having 6 electrons. Again incomplete octet. BeH2 having only 4 electrons, incomplete octet. Then NO2 will be having the odd electron species. Odd electron species. There are 7 electrons. So statement 2 is correct, 1 is wrong. That means what happened? This will be the not the right answer. So third option will be the right answer for this question. Now question number 7. So it is from the basic concept of chemistry. The question was basic concept of chemistry. It is about stoichiometry question. 14 gram of calcium metal is allowed to react with the excess HCl at 1 atmosphere and 273 pressure or 273 Kelvin. Which of the following statement is incorrect? They're asking. First frame the equation calcium plus HCl and gives rest to CaCl2, right? And water will be forming. Water is forming. So let us keep here itself. So calcium metal reacting with this one. So let us take 2 moles, right? So water will form in this case, right? So this one you will be having. So H2 gas will produce here. H2 gas will produce. Yes. This is the equation that they have given for us. Now here they given 14 gram of calcium metal. So 14 gram, this they given. Now this 1 atmosphere pressure they given this one. H2 gas is forming. First of all, so which is the limiting reagent? We'll see. They're asking incorrect statement is. Which one incorrect statement? First find the number of moles of calcium. Number of moles of calcium given mass 14 by molar mass is 40. 14 by 40. So how much will get here? We'll get the 7 by 20. 7 by 20 is coming. Now let us see the 7 by 20 will be equal to how much will come? 7 by 20 equal to 0.35 will be the moles of calcium. So now you have 0.35. So calcium is the limiting reagent. Why? The given atmospheric pressure is 1 from 1 only, no, that means it is less than 1. So you will be having the limiting reagent is calcium. Lr will be the calcium. Now this will go to here 0.35 and 0.35. So this will fully react. It will be forming as 0.35, 0.35. That means what happened? This is correct only, no? Limiting reagent is calcium metal. So second statement is correct only. Now, how many moles of H2O gas is evolved? 0.35. The 0.35 moles is coming. That means statement 1 is correct only. 2 is correct, 1 is correct. Now, try to find out the mass of mass of calcium chloride produced. So calcium atomic mass is 40 and Cl2 atomic mass is 71. So total 111. That means what happened? 0.35 into 111 you will be getting 38.5. So but the given is 33. So this is not the correct. What is the volume of H2? Number of moles is equal to volume by 22.4 at STP. So what happened? Moles how much? Moles is Moles is 0.35. 0.35 into 22.4. You will be getting 7.84 is coming. So 0.35 after getting this 7.84 liters are coming. That is volume of H2. That means fourth statement also is perfectly correct. So what is the answer we have for this case? Only one is the wrong answer. That is the option 3 is the right answer for this question. Now here they have given that 80 ml of unknown hydrocarbon, 80 ml of unknown hydrocarbon, gaseous hydrocarbon is sparked in the presence of 264 ml of O2 gas. 264 milliliter of O2 gas after complete combustion gases mixture cooled down to the 278 Kelvin at 1 atmosphere pressure. Then its volume is equal to how much? 224 ml. Which volume after cooling? Now, after passing the mixture through aqueous KOH volume becomes 64 ml. The formula of the hydrocarbon will be how much? First write the unknown hydrocarbon relation CXHY plus X plus Y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O. You will be having this relation for the unknown hydrocarbon. They have given 80 ml 80 ml of hydrocarbon. Now how much it is producing O2 gas? 264 O2 gas is producing after complete combustion gas mixture cooled down. So gas mixture how much they given? Volume of CO2 plus volume of H2O they have given how much? Here you can see here. So volume of So 1 second, guys. Volume of 1 second, guys. Will be come back. So how much gas mixture it is? Gas mixture is gas mixture they told no. So that means gas mixture must be so volume of CO2 plus volume of O2 will be equal to how much they given? They given that 224 milliliter they given. After passing the mixture through aqueous charge is absorbed in the CO2 gas, right? So that means how much it is absorbing? It is absorbing 64 ml, right? Becomes 64 ml. Then what to do here? How much we have O2 gas? O2 gas we have, so we'll get the volume of O2 is equal to like this 264 minus 64. So how much will get here? 200 ml will come O2. Okay. Then volume of CO2 how much will come? Volume of CO2 will be equal to so 224 minus 64. You'll be getting 160 will come. Right? So that's how you are getting the case. Now try to equate this one now. So here volume of O2 how much we got it? Volume of O2 we got it here 200 ml, and volume of CO2 how much we got it here? We got 160. Now stoichiometry relate no, relate the stoichiometry of these people. How much stoichiometry? Here one. How much stoichiometry? X plus y by 4. How much here? X. So now compare means equate these two people. Which two people? So 1 second. We can equate the this to this and this to this. So x is equal to how much will come? 2 will come. Now after that equate the any of these two. So 80 80 by 1 is equal to 200 by x plus y by 4. Now, so bring here down. X plus y by 4 is equal to 20 by 8. So 20 by 8 will be how much is coming? 20 by 8 you will be getting 20 by 8 is coming approximately 2.5 is coming. How much coming? 2.5. Now, x value how much you got? 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 2.5. Then y is equal to how much? 4 into zero point 0.5. That means 2 is the answer. So, the given answer for this question is x is equal to 2 is coming, y is equal to 2 is coming. That means what happened? Substitute here C2H2 is the answer. That is the question. Option will be first option is the right answer. This question already presents in the case of NEET, already asked either NEET or 2022 or 2023. This question already framed. Okay, 2022 or 2023. This question already came as it is, but different scenario. Same graphs will be there. If you go back to the question of NEET PYQs, no, you'll be getting this question. Now, area 1 mole of the gas undergoes following process. What the question is? The question was this here. Question is here. In which of the following, in which of the following work done by the gas is maximum they're asking. So guys, to find out the maximum work done, we have to know area under the work, right? If I take the pressure versus volume, so it will be system moving like this one, right? Now if I take this one and this one, so now here my area will be how much here? Area will be this much. This entire will be the area under the work done. So here more area is there. If I take in different way, no, if I take like this, so there is no area under the curve is there. So in this case No work done will be there. Now try to find out the case where we have the area under the curve is maximum. This is a cyclic case, so we'll be having no much work will be there. Now here the process is going, it is coming like this and it is coming, it's going. But you cannot get the complete area. You're getting only this much of area under the curve. Here you're getting only this much of area under the curve. Now, if you see here, there is no area in this case, right? There is no area. But whenever you see here, this entire area is coming under the curve. That means what happened? Third option is the maximum work. Now we have the question number 10. So here we have two solutions of PQ and PQ2 respectively. They both are non-volatile ionizable. That means what happened? I is equal to 1 for both of them. The anti-factor is 1 for both of them. Containing 1 gram of solute in 50 gram of solvent. So mass of solvent, how much they given? 50 gram. And Kb, how much they given? 5 Kelvin. Then they given the elevation in boiling point of solution. They given del TB is equal to 1.176. One. Another one also they given 0.689 they given. They're asking what is the molecular mass of P and Q will be how much? P and Q will be how much? Mass of solute will be same. Mass of solvent will be same. We need to find out the molecular mass. So first find out like this the formula del TF is equal to or del TB is equal to boiling point. High value is 1 kb molality. Molality means number of moles. Moles means given weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent. It is in kilograms, right? Del TB for one case, which case PQ, if I take PQ, no? So how much even 1.176 is equal to KB how much? 5. Mass of solute how much? 1. Solvent how much? 50. And molecular weight, we don't know. That only we have to find out. Molecular weight into 1000. So 0 0 cancel out, 5 5 cancel out. Now, so how much will get here? 100 by 116. 100 by 1.176. So 85 is coming. Del TB is it not del TB? It is of we are getting molecular mass of PQ is equal to 85 is coming. Now same like this, if you do the molecular weight of PQ2, how much will come? Here same relation, just 0.689 is equal to 5 by 5 50 into molecular mass of solute into 1 into 1000. So we're getting the same answer here 100 by 0.689 that is 0.689 that is 100 by 5 5 cancel out. Okay, 5 5 cancel out, 0 0 cancel out. So 100 by 0.689. 100 by 0.689. That you are getting 149 is coming. Or 145.13 is coming. That is molecular mass of PQ2 you are getting. Okay, you got the these two values. Now what to do? You try to separate like this. Make the equation like this. P plus Q is equal to 85 and P plus 2Q is equal to 145.13. Now subtract both of them minus, okay, then minus minus. How much will get here? Plus minus cancel out. So minus Q is equal to minus 145.1 plus 85. So how much are you getting here? 145.1 minus 85. You'll be getting 60.1 is coming Q. Q is equal to 60.1. And it substitute the Q value in this case. Substitute the Q value in this. So that means 85 minus 60.1. How much will come? That is be 24.9 is coming. 24.9 is coming. Approximately 25 we can take it this one. So P is equal to 24.9 approximately 25. These are the two answers that what we have. Option B is the right answer. B is the right answer. PQ. P how much you got? 25. Q how much you got? 60. That means not the first option, the second option. No, it is a third option. Now question. Next question what we have? Chemical thermodynamics. A2 B2 500 Kelvin temperature 2AB is forming. Log K value they given. So what they're asking, what is the X value they're asking? So here enthalpy they given, here entropy they given. What you need to do? Find out the del Z value. Del Z is equal to minus RT ln K. Convert into log. Minus 2.303 RT log K. So del Z value how much will come? Del Z value minus 2.303 8.314. Why? It is in joules only, no? Into temperature 500, log 2 value 2.2. So how much we are getting del Z value? Del Z value we are getting 2.303 into 8.314 into 500 into 2.2. So we're getting, so minus 21061.85. It is in joules we are getting del Z value. After getting del Z value, so what we need to do, find out the del H as well as del S value also. So del S value what we have, enthalpy, entropy of product minus entropy of reactant. Entropy of product what we have, 2 into AB value how much they given, AB value they given 240 for us, minus reactant how much, A2 B2. So directly can take here A2 B2 224 plus 238. 224 plus 238. So after solving, how much will get here? We'll be getting the 224 plus 238 minus. Okay. So 240. We're getting 18 will be the answer is coming for this entropy. It is in joule per Kelvin, guys. Joule per Kelvin per mole. Then after what would you do? Del H find out, no? Del H is equal to how much? Del H is equal to, you will be having like this. And again enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant you have. Enthalpy of product what we have? That is 2. 2 into AB value 32 minus, so 6 plus X you have. That means what happened? This will be 64 minus 6 minus X. So that means what happened? 52 minus X is coming. It is 52 only, no? So 64 minus 6 will be the 58 is coming. 58 will be the case. 58 will be the cases coming now. Now this you got the del H formation, you got it. Del H formation, you got it. Now what you need to do, use the Gibbs energy relation del Z is equal to del H minus T into del S. Del Z value how much? See guys, this value is in kilojoules, this is in joules. Now what I will do, I will convert this into joules by multiplying 1000. Okay. So now minus 21061 is equal to del H value 58,000 minus x into 1000. X into 1000 you have like this. Minus temperature 500 into entropy how much? 18. So let us solve this one. How much will come? So 500 into 18. You're getting 9,000. So this 9,000 is coming. Now 58,000 minus 1000 x. So 58,000 minus 9,000. You got the 49,000. 49,000. Again bring it this side. 216.8 by 1000. So you're getting 70 is the right answer is coming. So x is equal to 70 is the right answer. That is the given option is A is the right answer is coming. Now question number So 12th question. Electrical discharge is passed through the H2 gas and H2 dissociate into hydrogen atom. Energetically excited atoms emit discrete quantities frequency, that is Planck's quantum theory definition. So energy is proportional to the, so here what happened, frequency, how discrete quantities but not in continuous manner, that is a statement of Planck's quantum theory, that is statement 1 is absolutely correct. Statement 2, what happened? Frequency of second line Balmer series of second line of helium equal to first line of Lyman series. So we can find out no frequency mu is equal to R Z square by N square. Frequency is equal to how much? R value, keep it here as it is. Z value how much? Helium. Helium 2. Atomic number 2. 2 square how much? 4 by atom. Which line? Second line. Again 2 square. 4. Cancel out. So how much left out here? Frequency is equal to R, you got it. Now, find out the Lyman series first line of hydrogen atom. Frequency is equal to, frequency is equal to R, Z square how much? 1. First line 1. So, both are equally is coming, no? That means statement 2 also right. Both are correct statement, that is option 1. Chalo, question number, so question number 12 completed. Now question number 13 question. Okay, question number 13. A is treating with a H2 platinum. B, this is coming. This product is coming. Now A also treating with this hard alkaline KMnO4 H plus. What are, guys, this one, that one. Which one? So suppose this question will be based on like this. Suppose if I take any group of benzene like this, no? Can take benzene. Benzene is connected to any R group, right? Any R group. If you treat with a, so KMnO4, KOH, and if you do the hydrolysis, if you do the hydrolysis, then that R group is converting into acid, carboxylic acid. Condition is what we have, at least, at least one alpha H should be present. So that means what happened? So first one must be benzene, second one must be not benzene. This will not come, this will not come. Right? See, this two cannot come. Why two cannot come? So after treating with this one, benzene part has to be left out as it is. For example, if I take the statement one, no, means option one, if I take no, what will happen? This I've taken. If I treat with the H2 platinum, so only one mole we have to take. This one done. So you got the this cancel out. Break this pi bond. Add HH. Now if you treat with this one, so KMnO4, KOH, heat, then hydrolysis if you do, this full pot is converting into carboxylic acid group. This, so here alpha H is there, no? Here also alpha H is there, no? It's converting into, so phthalic acid is forming COOH and COOH. So that means what happened? Question 13th question answer will be option A is the right answer. So this given question 14th question is from the purification of organic compound, guys. Purification of organic compound. This is from the curious method. Curious method. So here what they given, percentage of sulfur they're asking. Percentage of sulfur is equal to weight of BaSO4 by, so molecular weight of BaSO4, molecular weight of BaSO4. Let me write properly. Percentage of sulfur is equal to weight of BaSO4 by molecular weight of BaSO4 into weight of, now here, atomic weight of sulfur by weight of organic compound into 100. So here given data, weight of organic compound they given as 0.7 and weight of BaSO4 they given as this one. BaSO4 they given 1 they given 1 gram they given. Now BaSO4 molecular weight, barium 137, sulfur 32, oxygen 64 is equal to 283 will come up. Let us check it here. So 137 plus 32 plus 64, you are getting 233 will be the answer is coming. Right? That answer is the molecular weight. Substitute here this values here. Percentage of sulfur is equal to weight of BaSO4 will be 1 by this is 233 into atomic weight is sulfur 32 by organic weight is 0.7 into 1. So after solving, so how much will get here? Let us solve 233 into zero point 0.7. So 163 and 32 by 163 into 100, you got the 19.6. So approximately if they given 20, we can take that one. That is option A is the right answer. Question number 4, 15th question, guys. Direct from NCRT. Direct from NCRT. So here they're asking the statement one, zinine and tryptophan. Tryptophan is our essential amino acid. Essential amino acids are in this given box, in this given table. Star marks which and all having those are essential amino acid. That means what happened here? They given arginine, tryptophan. So let us see here. Arginine will be here. The star mark is there. So essential amino acid. So then we have another one, tryptophan. So where we have, you'll be having here 18th one. So here also essential amino acid. That means statement one will be right answer. Glycine does not have any chiral carbon. That is absolutely right. Why? So this is the amino acid. Glycine case what happened? In place of R, you have to substitute the H hydrogen. You have to substitute the hydrogen. So keep here hydrogen, here H2N. So here, this is not the chiral carbon, right? So no chiral carbon is present. So that means statement 2 also right. So option A is the right answer. Now question number 16, what we have, treating with the ammonia, that means see guys, simple question this one. So if I take carboxylic acid, so COOH if I take, now if we treat with the NH3 heat, so what happen now? Amide will form. First salt will form. Let us take here. First step, let me take salt will form. C double bond O, O negative, NH4 positive will form. Salt. The salt, if you heat it now, water elimination takes place. Amide will form in here. Amide will form. Now this amide, so this is bromide degradation. If you do this one, so this part will go. Which part will go? So carbonyl part will be eliminated. In the mechanism, it will go this one. This part will go. What is left out for us? We left out. Aniline is coming. You're getting aniline. You're getting aniline will be the right answer. So this becomes P and this become Q and this become R. Acid, amide, aniline. Acid, amide, aniline. That is option A is the right answer. Now, C6, C6H12O3 gives positive iodoform test. Iodoform test will give methyl ketones. Methyl ketones will give. And ethanol it will give. Ethanol it will give. These two will give the iodoform positive test. Now, on hydrolysis with dilute acid, hydrolysis product formed as a gives Tollens test. Tollens test will give only aldehydes, not ketones, right? So after hydrolysis, the product is giving both the Tollens as well as iodoform test. Let us see what will happen. So way to do hydrolysis. If I do this one hydrolysis, no, what I'll get option A, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, then we have CH2, C, OH, H, again OH and CH3 you got it. Break this one, add OH, OH. That's all. HOH, not OH, HOH. HOH, you add it. So then what you got? On two hydroxyl group on the same carbon, not stable. Eliminate the water. C double bond O, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, H. See here, we have this part, this methyl ketone we have. That will give you the iodoform test. This part will give you the iodoform test. Methyl ketone is there. Here aldehyde group is there. It is converting into salt. That is carboxylic acid salt is forming. That means this product is giving both iodoform as well as what? Tolerance test. Reactant is giving iodoform test. Methyl ketone is there. Any case we have methyl ketone initially? No, not there, not there, not there. So option A is the right answer. Next question what we have, which of the following most stable resonating structure we have? Which of the following most stable resonating structure we have? Now let us see what we have in this case. So one point is like charges, like charges near unstable and unlike charges near stable. Okay. Third point, negative charge is stable on, so F minus, O minus, En minus, C minus. Okay, this is the case. Now see guys here. First, see the having the like charges nearby. So this will not come. Why? Positive positive same nearby. Here also this will not come. 2 and 3 will not come. Now nitrogen carrying the two positive charges. So fail this one. It is unstable. Now you can see here this one. It can donate here, right? So here completion of octet is there. But here will be stable resonance structure is available in this case. Now, next question what we have, propanol, propanone. Propanol, propanone, propanol. So here we'll be having the like this, propanol and propanone or functional isomers. Aldehyde ketones are functional isomer. That is correct only. Ethoxyethane, methoxypropane or metamers. So B statement, ethoxyethane and methoxypropane. So yes, metamers. Why? Bridging atom oxygen is connected to here two ethyl groups. Here one methyl, here one propyl. So these are the metamers. That is a condition, no? Butene shows optical isomer. That is absolutely wrong only, no? Right? Butene, if you take butene, 1, 2, if I take here, no, here. So it will show geometrical isomerism, not optical isomerism. So C is the wrong. D, what we have, but 1 in, but 2 in are functional isomerism. So this is wrong only, no? But 1 in, but 2 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1 in and but 2 in. It are the positional isomerism, not functional. Functional means what happen? It has to have different functional groups like aldehyde and ketones. Now, pentane and 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane chain isomers. So, E what we have, pentane 1, 2, 3. This is the pentane you have. Okay. Now, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. This is chain isomers. These are the chain isomers. Chain is different, no? So, ABE is correct. ABE is the correct. CD will be the wrong. Next, the compound which of the following compound is paramagnetic in nature? So here this is not paramagnetic, no, because just now this in the first question, I think second question, it is diamagnetic. So this is not the para. It is also not the para. It is para. Weak field ligand is a no paramagnetic. So here cobalt. Cobalt case what will happen? 4s2, 3d7. 4s to 3d7. Cobalt how much? Here plus 3 state no. Cobalt plus 3. Then remove this one. 3d6 will come. So 3d6 you will be having the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, here the question will come. Highly important is cobalt plus 3 case, if water is there, no, it becomes a strong field ligand. Strong field ligand. So now here pairing will occur. Cobalt plus 3 case, water becomes strong field ligand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here D2sp3 will come. D2sp3. So in this case, cobalt plus 3 case, water being a strong field ligand. That means what happened? So option C is the correct answer. That is the only paramagnetic nature. Next, what we have C4H8. C4H8 they given. It is treating with a HCl. So what is forming? So first find out the degree of unsaturation. No? What is the formula? Carbon atoms plus 1 minus hydrogen plus halogen minus nitrogen by 2. Halogens are not there, hydrogen is not there. Then find out here 5 are 5 minus, so 8 hydrogens, 8 plus 8 by 2. It is how much? 4. That means 1 du is there. 1 du is there means it can be like this. Any of the case pi bond should be present. Okay, any of the case pi bond is present. Right? It can also be like this also. It can also be like this also available in this case. Right? We'll see which one will come. Either A will come or B will come. This one. Instead of we can A B, we can take here 1 and 2. Now let me go with the second one so that we'll check it out whether it's coming or not. If it is coming, that is the right answer. If it's not coming, that is not the right answer. Here what to do? Marconi curve rule we have to apply no addition of hx. So here Cl is coming. That's all. So what you got here? B you got it. Now in B also can find out the du. Same du will come. How much du will come? Same one only. D will not come in this case. Why? Du. So here C4H9Cl no C4 how much? So C plus 1 5 minus here halogen is there. So 9 plus 1 10 10 by 2 5 5 5 minus 5 0. So here du is 0. In this case du will be 0. No pi bond is there. Now this is treating with ammonia. So what is forming here after treating? This will form like this. Remove the H from here, Cl from here, NHC, HCl remove. Then you got the amine you got. What kind of amine? Primary amine we got it. What kind of amine? Primary amine we got it. So this is C you got it. After getting C, what they tell the C is optically active. Yes, optically active. We got it here, no? C is optically active compound. If I take here hydrogen, you can see here this NH2, H methyl ethyl. So optically active. C is right. So that's all we got the answer. But if I take this compound, no, I will not get the optically active compound Cl. If I remove this one, treat with the NH2, the NH3, so we'll be getting the NH2. So this is not the optical active compound. So first one is wrong, second one is right. That means what we have, so it can be but 1 in or but 2 in. Any of the option can able to come. First, so all the cases but 1 in, but 2 in is there. B must be secondary, so this will not come. It can also come. But C is not the OH. This is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. So option is fourth is the right answer. Now, question number this one, right? So here numerical values. So this will be from the chemical kinetics question. So what we have, activation energy K is equal to A. K is equal to A e power of minus EA by R into 1 by T. This one we have. So if I take different temperature, now we can take this formula now. Ln K2 by K1 ln K2 by K1 is equal to, so here E2 minus E1 by, that means this minus this, right, by R and T. So they given the difference between their operation is how much they given? 20 they given. So this value they given us 20. This value how much they given? For us, this value they given 20. Substitute here 20 my by R value they given also 8.3. Then the given temperature is 300 Kelvin. So after solving, how much we are getting here? Let us see here. 8.3 into 300, 20 by 3 and this value. So log ln k2 by k1, we need to get the answer, right? So okay, then we have to convert 20 kilojoules into joules only. No, why joules? Here I've taken joules only. So then you got the value will be how much is coming. So we are getting 8 is coming. Let me solve one more time. 8.3 into 300. This much 20 by this one. So into 1000. So 8.03 is coming. So value will be 8.03 is the answer for this question, guys. Now question number this one. This question is very directly inside the question, right? So nitration. Here benzene they have given. Benzene they have given. First step they're doing nitration. They're doing nitrating mixture on this one. NO2 positive. So you'll be getting nitrobenzene. You will be getting here nitrobenzene. Now this nitrobenzene, Stefan's reduction if you do, NO2 converting into NH2 directly. NH2 you got it. Now this if you're treating with the anhydride, CH3, C double bond O, OC double bond O, CS3. So here what to do now? So just to make this one, no? What one we have to make it? So here this is positive, this is negative. Here also you write the hydrogen like this. Um, 1 second. Let me write the hydrogen simple and easiest way. Keep hydrogen like this. Now you can keep here and this becomes negative, this become positive. Just cross it, positive, negative. So what we are getting here after crossing this one, acetanilide we are getting. So we are getting acetanilide. So ENH, C double bond O, CS3. Then you got acetic acid, you got it. Guys, here NH2 is a strong plus M. This is strong plus M. Strong plus M effect. So here mononitration will not take place if you do electrophilic. So we are converting strong plus M into weak plus M. That means this will be our weak plus M. Plus M only but weak. Now if you do the, in this case, again nitration if you do know, what happen now? So para substituted product will come now. Ortho para both will come. So if I keep here NHC double bond O CH3 and here para position NO2 will come. Then next if you do the hydrolysis, no, what happen now? This will break out this one. So this acid will go separate. How to do here? Now break this one here, no? Break this one OH and H. H positive, OH negative. That's all. You'll be getting the product will be this one. Para nitroaniline NH2 NO2. Now they're asking percentage of nitrogen in this product. Percentage of nitrogen you have to find out. Okay, let me do here. Percentage of nitrogen is equal to how many atoms are there nitrogen? 2. 2. 1 nitrogen atomic mass is 14. 2 into 14 divided by here how many carbons are there? So you will be having the 6 carbons. 6 carbons are there. And how many hydrogens are there? So here 2, here 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are 6 hydrogens are there. Then 2 oxygens are there, right? 2 oxygens are there. Then plus 2 nitrogens are there. Now add this molecular mass of this one. So 6 into 12, right? Plus 2. Then we have plus 28. Then we have 32. So 138 is coming. So total value is 138 into 100. If you do this one, you will be getting the 28 by 138 into 100. If you do, you are getting 20.2 is coming. So 20.2 percentage is coming the answer. Here what we need to do here, 1 gram of AB2 dissolved in 50 gram of solvent. Okay. This is the delta of 0.689 they given. So I think this question already we solved, guys. So they're asking what is the molar mass of AB2? How much we got it? Let me show how much we got it. AB2 will be here. It is the answer. See here, AB2 case, how much you got molar mass? 145. So same answer there also. We can give here. So 1 second. Same answer. 145 will be the answer for that question. So here 145 will be the answer for this question. Is already solved now. Now next question what we have. How many compounds have the tetrahedral geometry we have? So if I take NH4 no, NH4 positive from the childhood onwards we're seeing no NH4 positive. So H positive, sp3 tetrahedral, XeF4 square planar, XeF4 square planar, more repeated compound every exam, square planar. NiCl4 tetrahedral. Just now we solved no there in the case of coordination compound topic. This one. So sp3 and tetra will one. This one tetra. This is also tetra. PtCl4 square planar. Heavier elements can form so square planar complex. This become square planar. Now dsp2 hybridization. dsp2 hybridization. Copper also square planar. Due to there is a John Teller distortion takes place. It is a square planar complex will form copper. Due to John Teller distortion, it become dsp2 and square planar. Square planar. BF3 is a planar, trigonal planar, guys. BF3 is the trigonal planar. It is not the tetrahedral. Trigonal planar. TP. NiCO4 tetrahedral. NiCO4 is tetrahedral. sp3. So tetra. How many are there? 1, 2, and 3. So answer will be 3 is the answer. So thank you guys. So we'll discuss remaining papers. We'll upload the video next. So thank you so much.